But I
Sure.
want to get back to one thing. You started off with people first, and this is just me personally. It's my opinion that people are the greatest underutilized security asset in a company.
Mhm.
Right. I think there's a lot of security gaps we could close if we actually educated the people, the end users, and got them involved. A lot of times what happens is they think cybersecurity is some nebulous function. It's a guy in a hoodie in the back room that's doing something. They're not in touch with it. They don't have contextual awareness of the cybersecurity problem. And at other times, a lot of policies get rolled out to them for which they don't even understand why. So they just kind of blow it off. They're like, yeah, okay, whatever. Um, and it's
You're
not that
right.
it's malicious intent; it's human nature. If
It
you
is.
tend to you tend to do things that you understand and that appear logical to you. So how do we make cybersecurity logical to that end user community? Uh,
I personally, that's a good question. So, um, I think cybersecurity to actually work well as a function has to have the buy-in of everybody around you, right? So, your to me, like whenever I would push policies out, I always would bring in the team that was going to be affected or having to do the push out to get their thoughts, right?
okay.
And so like if I'm going to be pushing out a new antivirus solution to the company, like I would bring in those particular guys, the administrators, and say, hey, here's what we're going to do. We're gonna do this because of the false positive rate in the previous one is not great. This is a new way of doing things. What do you think? How can we go about doing it, right? And so I'm a big believer in just not throwing stuff over the wall, but getting buy-in of everybody that you're going to be working with, right? So it's kind of goes back to what you mentioned, the education around it, um, and so I want to educate kind of everybody that I work with on why we're doing things and why it's important, just so they don't see it as a useless function or a checkbox.
Right.
That's my general philosophy around it.
Yeah, we see a lot of that where some things get implemented and people just don't understand the why, and then they're like, "Yeah, maybe we'll follow it, maybe we won't," and that results in a lot of gaps.